70s cars, you know you're driving something that was a poster car or filled with cocaine at some point.
Yeah,
you know, this is what these cars were about. This is what these cars were about. I love it. And I love the fact that all the dials are like slightly pointed towards you. It's all everything, it's all cocooned around you. It's just lovely.
I just bought a 73 280 Mercedes Coupe.
I fancy
probably the best one in the world. I mean, just absolutely perfect.
Yeah.
And I'm doing an AMG swap in it. I'm putting a 2006 AMG, 65.
Okay, cool.
S65 V12 twin turbo.
Jesus, really?
Yeah, it's gonna be fucking cool.
Mental. That's mental. Yeah, that's nuts. We've got a 300 SL Gullwing.
Yeah, I saw that last year, I think.
Yes, yeah, that's very true. Yeah.
Do you follow that guy out of California called Sling 500?
Yes.
That builds the SL hot rods?
Yeah.
My buddy bought one of those SL hot rods from him. It's fucking cool.
Yeah. Have you seen the guys in Germany called Mechatronic?
I think so.
So they built like this really normal looking Merc, but then put like a Black Series body underneath it, all the chassis and engine and running gear. But it looks completely standard. They've done a wicked job on it.
See, we got the 2006 or so S65.
Yeah.
We're gonna pull the motor, drivetrain and stuff, put it in that 73 coupe.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna put a blower motor, alcohol motor into the S65 and make it a wheel stand.
That's outrageous. I love it. Generally, you don't really need first. You can use it, but like it's got so much torque. I mean, generally, unless you come to a complete standstill, it's pretty good.
What side of the road are we on here?
The left. So yeah, you're good.
Yeah, we went down to Isle of Man. That was pretty cool.
Yeah, I saw actually. Yeah, with FHO, which you guys are now part of, aren't you? Sponsored.
Well, we were for that race.
Oh right, okay.
And we won everything, so that was pretty.
Yeah, that was a good time to be a part of it. Yeah, 100%. No, that's very good. Because Peter's coming tomorrow, isn't he?
I think he is.
Yeah, I think so.
Aren't they like landing in a helicopter or some craziness?
Well, they've got to do it some way. I mean, when your boss is a billionaire, why the fuck not, right?
Exactly.
Just turn up in an Apache or an AC-130 or something, I don't know. Yeah. You must get... Does this sort of event just not stress you out a little bit? Because it's just so hectic. Like, for me, I just can't deal with, like, endless people and crowds and shit. I don't know how you do it.
Fuck, I'm used to it. It's part of it. I would prefer not to have to do it.
Yeah, that's the thing. It's a lifestyle.
Why can't we just find some other people to be gas monkey people?
Yeah.
Put them on fucking TV.
But the thing is, you have become the gas monkey, haven't you? That's the thing. You are the face of the brand.
That's it.
Yeah. Which is, you know, I think it's still special because, you know, like I've got, even my non-car friends know about gas monkey because they all grown up watching, you know, it was always the thing on TV. And
we're 20, next March, 6 months from now, is our 20-year anniversary.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow, that's awesome. That's awesome. Sucks we're stuck behind the bus.
It's alright, it's cool enough just to get the drive one.
Well, we'll have to try and organise for you to go out on the proper drive with it, because when you start driving out, they're meant to be. You've got to remember, like the V12 out of this was taken out of a race car, so they just don't like going slow. They cough and they splutter and they don't get responsive. You start to push it, and it's just beautiful. It sings. It's lovely. Have you got many like old school Italian stuff? Or?
I don't have any.
No. Eventually, you'll have one of these, you think?
Oh, I want one.
Yeah, you want one. Yeah.
There's one in Texas that a guy bought in 1972.
It was in his house, wasn't it?
Yeah. And I'm first in line for it when he dies.
Okay.
I've talked to his kids, and I said, you know, I'll buy it, but it just depends.
Yeah, to be fair, it's a safe place to put your money. Because it is.
Yeah. You know, I think these cars are drastically undervalued.
Yeah, I do.
I think these cars should be around $5 million.
Yeah, I agree. And I think they will be, actually, because when people start realising they don't build cars like this anymore, then, you know?
Yeah. Well, what the old guys used to do to get the cars up in value is they'd go buy
loads of them.
5 or 10 of them.
Yeah.
And then they'd start unloading them on to each other and upping the price, until they got it where they wanted it. And then they'd sell them all.
Yeah.
You know?
Well, did you know there's a Saudi Arabian prince with 35 DP5s? This is a fully original Miura. You can drive another Miura that under 2,000 RPM, she's sweet, but they've done stuff to her to make it that way, you know? You've got to drive it like a bit of an animal and stuff. We're not precious. We've done like 20,000 miles in this.
That's kick-ass.
Because before we started collecting cars, this was our only supercar. So we didn't have like a Ferrari 458, we had this. So it was like, this was the car that picked me up from school in.
Yeah, I've been trying to buy an Espada.
Yeah, another criminally undervalued car.
I think they're very undervalued.
Very.
I have one located for about 110 grand. It's got a Chevy V8 in it.
Okay.
But a super, super nice car.
Okay. Cool. Yeah, it's the Espadas. You know another car I think is very undervalued? A Lotus Esprit Turbo.
Oh yeah.
I don't know why they're not big money, because I mean I know they're not that rare, but nevertheless, you know, still it's yeah. Big ass car though.
Yeah, if I buy this one, I'm gonna LS swap it.
Yeah. Yeah. And that's the thing, I like the fact that you're not precious over the actual car, you just want to make it how you want to make it. And that's the thing,
have
because
some fun with it.
you know, the thing is that when people drive this, because I let quite a lot of people drive it, when people drive it, they're really soft with it. I'm like, do you realise, if I gave you the keys to a Gallardo, you'd drive it like an animal. Someone did this when this was new, nothing's changed.
Yeah.
It's just the value's gone up. So don't think about the value, be kind to the car, give it a spank, you know, that's what it needs. Yeah, it's a shame you're not in the UK for longer, because I'd love to show you and your guys around the collection. And it's, yeah, we'll organise it at some point. And then we'll go mad with driving everything. You can go in the garage and go, I want to go in there.
What this car costs new?
Well, I don't know exactly what it cost new, but I know that we were in the newspapers when we bought it in 2005 for 280 grand, that we paid a world record price for an old Lamborghini.
No shit.
Yep.
280 grand.
Yep.
Yeah, me and Dennis had one for about that, back around that time.
Yeah.
And we sold it for 300 or 310. We thought we could.
Yeah, exactly.
Like,
yeah, exactly. Oh, I've done worse than that. I had a McLaren F1 and a Ferrari F40 for 600 grand for both of them. That sucks. Yeah, that really sucks. But hindsight is 20/20 vision.
There you go.
You know, you can't do anything about it. And what's the story on your convertible Mustang? Is that just something you did, or?
Well, I mocked it up from the car that was used by Pierce Bronson in the movie Thomas Crown Affair.
Okay.
And the car's only in the movie for like 8 seconds.
Okay.
And the car doesn't exist anymore, it's just gone.
Right.
So I made one up.
I think that's cool. And I love I mean, that car you could only have in America. In England, it'd be fucking pointless because it only looks cool with the roof off. And
I've never put the roof up.
No, exactly. So, yeah.
But we just made another one, and I gave it away.
I saw. I mean, it's funny actually, because all these giveaways, people go, it's such a clever business thing. It's just
Makes good money.
Yeah. It's wild. And the one thing that surprised me was when you said, because I saw on socials, you said someone could walk in and choose any car. Was that actually the case?
Yeah.
But what happens if they chose the most valuable car? It would still be...
They still get to choose it.
Yeah, fair. Okay. That's cool. Right.
Yeah, they get to take whatever they want.
And you got a 599, haven't you?
I do. I got a 599 and a 488 Spider.
That 599, now that's another
I love that
car.
fucking car.
I'm tempted to buy a 599, but I want to find a manual.
They're very undervalued also.
Yeah.
They're only, you can get a nice one with low miles for like 180.
Yeah, exactly.
It's a freaking great
I mean,
car.
in England, you can get a 599 F1, like I'm guessing what you've got, for £85,000.
Wow.
That's a front-engine V12 Ferrari. You know, mad. So what's your, in 20 years time, 30 years time, what's the car that you want to own? That you just want to have in your garage and go, look at that.
I want to own one of these.
This is it, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's awesome. That's awesome. And why is that?
I've just always liked the car.
Yeah.
Ever since I was a kid.
And this is your first time driving one?
Yeah.
And it's okay?
It's fucking rad, man.
Okay, good.
So that was Petrohedonism for 2022. It was killer. I got to drive my dream car. Now all I got to do is save up enough pennies to buy one, because I definitely want one of those. And now that I've driven one, I will tell you about something I have not driven yet.